Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marvelous, and if you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you're returning Sabi, you know it's all love for you here. It's all love, Mtase. Thank you so much for the support, and I'm grateful for you. So today it's episode 7 of Vlogmas. Sana, I'm a little bit disappointed and hurt because I thought I was going to post a video on a daily basis, but I think you saw what happened on my last video when I was recording the sit down. We had electricity issues for like 2 days, so I couldn't do anything. So I only managed to upload the Vlogmas 6 yesterday night, which is doing so well. Thank you so much, guys, for watching that video, and I'm so grateful that I touched some of you, and it gave you a little bit of encouragement, if I might put it that way. So again, Bandase, today we are going to cook a Zimbabwean dish, peanut butter rice. I know some of you are going to find it weird, but my Zim sisters, my Zim brothers, you know this is what we do. We always put peanut butter in everything, whether it's pumpkin, we put peanut butter in vegetables, we put peanut butter in meat, in rice. Just let me know in the comment sections where you guys put your peanut butter. Like, we put a lot of peanut butter in a lot of foods. So that is what we're going to do today. We are going to cook peanut butter rice with some chicken stew. Because I'm here in South Africa, I don't have access. Actually, I do have access to Zimbabwean peanut butter. It's just that I didn't want to buy when I have the what do they call this one? The yummy one at home. So we're going to use the yummy one, and I'm going to use a different method. I hope my grandmother won't kill me for this. She'll be like, how are you cooking your peanut butter rice? This is not how we do it, but I'm gonna show you in a minute. And please, I urge you, if you haven't tried this before, you must try it, and you must always come back to this video and tell me how was your experience. So yeah, guys, let's get right into it. So guys, first of all, I washed my hands, and today we are going to use the Aquila rice. This is my favorite rice, guys, so I decided to take it to buy 2 kg today, but I also feel like I'm falling in love with the Aquila Thai rice. So I'm gonna see which one I'll stick to, but I love I love Alabama rice, I mean. So I just took 4 pieces of chicken from that tray, and then I am going to marinate the meat. You can use any spices you have at home. It doesn't have to be what I'm doing. So I added ginger. I think I also added oregano. I added curry, chicken spice, and there is, what do you call this, Portuguese spice as well. So I mixed everything together, and then I put a little bit of oil, and then I mixed it all together, and then I just refrigerated the whole mixture.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second, I won't change my mind.
So those are my carrots, my onions, and my green pepper that I cut offline, and then that is my coleslaw mix, and that is my tomato mix. I blended tomatoes and some soup or some cubes, and that one is my rice. So now we're grilling the chicken.
Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the part that I do it differently, guys. So I'm going to take my yummy butter, take 1 tablespoonful of the peanut butter, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of water, and then I'm gonna blend. The reason is I want when I pour it into my rice. Okay, obviously my rice is going to be semi-cooked, so the water that I'm going to add for the second time must be the peanut butter water, so that when the rice cooks, it cooks with the peanut butter as well. Back home, we just cook the rice when it's done, and then we like mush it up, kumona. We mush it up together, and I don't like it because I feel like I will still taste the raw peanut butter, whereas this time it's cooked, and it's cooked for like over 15 minutes. Yeah. So guys, my rice is semi-cooked, and now I'm going to add the peanut butter water just to finish the cooking process. Oh god, my electricity again. So you will see that when you put the peanut butter in the rice will suck all the peanut butter water, and you can taste the peanut butter in each and every bite. Then when you mush it together, some parts are not going to have the peanut butter. So that is me just lowering up my stove. So guys, this is a few minutes later, and look at that. I am so happy with the results. So the rice is covered with peanut butter everywhere, and my house is full of the aroma of peanut butter and rice, and I am so going to enjoy this. Wow guys, I'm so happy with the results. Please, if you do not like the way I did it, don't come for me guys. This is what works for me, and I like it like that.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring at a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can take